Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, all of you. Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Good
morning.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning, all of you. Screen is visible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So today we will do this third chapter. It is the chapter from Beehive. Second chapter was Sound of Music, and third chapter is The Little Girl. So, do you feel you know your parents better now than when you were much younger? ऐसा है कि लगता था कि अब अपने पेरेंट्स को ज्यादा अच्छे से समझते हैं बचपन से ज्यादा अच्छे
Yes,
से
ma'am.
अब समझते हैं, ऐसा लगता है?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
As you mature, you understand your parents better, isn't it? So this is also, as the title of the chapter suggests, The Little Girl. It is a story about a small girl. एक छोटी सी लड़की की कहानी है जिसका नाम है केजिया. Kezia is her name. Perhaps you now understand the reasons for some of their actions that used to upset you earlier. So, sometimes what happens, parents are strict about something, they don't allow you to do everything you like, and then what you think? You are angry with your parents. But when you grow up, what you realize कि parents जो भी करते हैं वो बच्चों की भलाई के लिए करते हैं. Maybe they are very strict, sometimes they don't express their love, but what they have at the back of the mind is the betterment of the children, isn't it? तो as you grow up, you understand that their actions was for your good. If parents are strict, if they are strict about your studies, or if they tell you not to do something, means it is for your good only. है ना? अभी जैसे अब मोबाइल चलाने के लिए मना करते होंगे तो गुस्सा आता है कि नहीं? कितने लोगों को, स्टूडेंट्स को गुस्सा आता है? हेलो, बी ऑनेस्ट. हेलो, नो रिप्लाई. हाँ, सो
मैम अभी चलाने को मिलता है.
अभी मिलता है? वाह.
मैम लॉकडाउन में क्या करूँ मैम, मिलता है लॉकडाउन में.
नहीं तो 24/7 तो नहीं मिलता होगा ना, कहते होंगे ना.
नो मैम.
हाँ.
यस मैम. खुद रख देते हैं मैम मोबाइल को.
वाह, बड़ा समझदार हो, खुद रख दे.
मैम एक टाइम मैम फिर बोर हो जाएंगे किसी चीज में, मैम ज्यादा मन नहीं लगता, फिर बोर हो जाएंगे.
अच्छा, यस यस, दैट इज अ रीजन.
मैम क्लास करने के बाद तो फिर स्ट्रेंथ ही नहीं बचता है कि फोन और भी देखें.
Yes, that is also, and you shouldn't use it too much also. It harms your eyes. इतना देर तो अब ऑनलाइन क्लास में तो देखना ही है, वो तो मजबूरी है अभी तो. Okay, so this story is about a little girl whose feelings for her father change from fear to understanding. Will probably find an echo in every home. Means if you see, you can relate to the story. This story is the story of every home. It is about a little girl. So it is about a little girl, small girl, whose name is Kezia. So to the little girl, he was a figure to be feared. The beginning of the story itself, we are told that for the little girl, father was a very fearful figure. He refers to father. तो केजिया के लिए उसके फादर क्या थे? कोई डरावने चीज थे. Person to be feared and avoided. Means she used to avoid him like anything. Father के पास वो जाती ही नहीं थी. Why? Because she was very scared of her father, so she always avoided her father. Every morning before going to work, he came into her room and gave her a casual kiss. अब ये केजिया का अपना थिंकिंग था. फादर लव्ड हर बिकॉज एवरी मॉर्निंग बिफोर गोइंग टू वर्क, काम से पर जाने से पहले वो हर रोज केजिया को एक किस देते थे, कैजुअल kiss, to which she responded, "Goodbye, father." Kezia's father, before going to office every day, he would give her a kiss. And then Kezia would reply, "Goodbye, father." And oh, there was a glad sense of relief. Relief मतलब क्या होता है?
राहत.
Rahat, yes. Relaxation. When she heard the noise of the carriage growing fainter and fainter. So Kezia used to feel very relaxed when she felt very relaxed. When the sound of the carriage became lesser and lesser, फादर की जो गाड़ी थी जिससे वो ऑफिस जाते थे, गाड़ी की आवाज जब बिल्कुल कम हो जाती थी तो केजिया बहुत रिलैक्स्ड फील करती थी कि फादर अब दूर चले गए. सो केजिया Kezia felt very relaxed when her father went away to the office. Growing fainter and fainter down the long road means sound of the carriage grew lesser and lesser. Huh? Uh, that means what? That father had gone far away from the house. Carriage की आवाज कम हो गई, father बहुत दूर चले गए. So that was a big relaxation for Kezia. Father went to office means she felt very relaxed. So Kezia was very scared of her father. She always avoided her father. So in the evening when he came home, she stood near the staircase and heard his loud voice in the hall. Then again father would return in the evening. Then he would say in a loud voice, "Bring my tea into the drawing room." So after coming from office, father would demand tea. He bring my tea into the drawing room. Hasn't the paper come yet? Paper अभी तक नहीं आया है क्या? So mother, go and see if my paper is out there. So Kezia's father would tell his mother, मतलब grandmother, केजिया के grandmother को वो कहते थे कि go and see if the newspaper is out there and bring me my slippers. His father was a little bit bossy kind of a person. uh, ये करो वो करो. So first he will demand tea, then he will tell someone to bring the paper, then he will tell someone to bring his slippers. Bring me my slippers. So Kezia, mother would call to her, "If you are a good girl, you can come down and take off father's boots." Then mother would call to her. केजिया की माँ जब father वापस आते थे ऑफिस से, then he will demand tea, he will ask for the newspaper, and then he will tell someone to bring his slippers. And then Kezia's mother would call to her, "If you are a good girl, you can come down and take off father's boots." और केजिया को क्या काम मिलता था? फादर का बूट्स उतारने का काम. She has to remove father's boots. A father must be feeling very tired after coming from office. So slowly the girl would slip down the stairs more slowly. Why is Kezia's movement so slow?
Ma'am,
More
because
slow.
she fears her father.
Yes, because she does not want to go near her father. अब माँ ने कहा है कि फादर के जूते खोलने के लिए, बूट्स खोलने के लिए, तो उसे मजबूरी में करना है, लेकिन वो एकदम धीरे से जाती है, more slowly, still across the hall and push open the drawing room door. So very unwillingly she goes to the drawing room door. By that time, he had his spectacles on and looked at her over them in a way that was terrifying to the little girl. उसके बाद फादर जो है वो अपना चश्मा पहनते थे. He had his spectacles on and he looked at Kezia. That was terrifying, very frightening. केजिया को वो उस ऐसे देखते थे कि केजिया बहुत डर जाती थी. इंटेंशनली वो नहीं देखते होंगे, केजिया को उनका लुक ही डरावना लगता था. So father would look in a very normal, casual way. But what about Kezia? Kezia,
Kezia
uh,
got
yes,
feared. Ma'am, she got scared.
yes, Kezia got scared, terrifying to the little girl. Well, Kezia, hurry up and pull off these boots and take them outside. पापा केजिया को कहते जल्दी से मेरे बूट्स उतारो और इसे बाहर रखाओ. टेक देम आउटसाइड. हैव यू बीन अ गुड गर्ल टुडे? तो केजिया के फादर उससे पूछते कि आज तुमने अच्छे से बिहेव किया है, कोई बदमाशी तो नहीं किया है. हैव यू बीन अ गुड गर्ल टुडे? I don't know, father. Look at the way Kezia is replying. एकदम हकला रही है वो. Why is this? Why does she stammer? Why does she
Because she
Ma'am,
fear
Because he
because
is
she's
scared his father.
fear
terrified
her
of his
father.
father.
Yes, Abhinav. Yes, Janvi, Abhinav. Your answers are correct. So, because she was so scared of her father, father के सामने नहीं कहते हैं कि डर से बोली भी नहीं निकल रहा था. तो वही हाल केजिया का है. पापा से वो इतना डर रही है कि उसके मुंह से कोई आवाज मतलब बहुत मुश्किल से वो बोल पाती है. आई डोंट नो, यू डोंट नो. अब पापा भी उसका नकल उतारते हैं. You don't know. If you stutter like that, uh, mother will have to take you to the doctor. अब केजिया हकलाती तो नहीं थी, वो फादर के डर से हकला. Stammer. Easy word is to speak with pauses. मतलब रुक रुक के बोलना. To speak with pauses. So if you stutter like that, mother will have to take you to the doctor. Now Kezia's father is telling to Kezia, अगर तुम इस तरह हकलाओगी, स्टटर करोगी, तो डॉक्टर से दिखाना पड़ेगा. She never stuttered with other people. So Kezia was not in the habit of stuttering. She was stuttering, she was stammering only because of the fear of her father. She never stuttered with other people, had quite given it up, but only with father, because then she was trying so hard to say the words properly. फादर के सामने तो मुश्किल से वो कुछ बोल पाती थी. So she was before father, words did not come out from her mouth. She had to make a lot of effort to speak, so hard to say these words properly. So uh, Kezia is very scared of her father. What is the matter? What are you looking so wretched about? Wretched means unhappy. फादर के सामने जाते ही केजिया का चेहरे का सारा खुशी जो है वो गायब हो जाता था और एकदम चेहरे पर एक unhappy expression. Wretched. So W is silent. You pronounce it as wretched, unhappy. So wretched means unhappy. So whenever Kezia used to go before her father, what happened? All the happiness disappeared from her face. सारा खुशी जो है वो गायब हो जाता था। और केजिया के फादर भी इरिटेट हो जाते थे उसको देखकर, वैसा एक्सप्रेशन। तो मदर, आई विश यू टॉट दिस चाइल्ड नॉट टू अपीयर ऑन द ब्रिंक ऑफ सुइसाइड। तो वो अपने माँ को बोलते थे कि tell this girl not to bring that expression on the face that she is going to commit suicide. So what kind of expression was there on Kezia's face? Brink matlab,
Like she was
yes, like bolo Srija?
she was about to commit suicide.
Yes. The so on Kezia's expression, there was such an unhappy expression that she was going to commit suicide, about to commit suicide. So brink means just about to commit, ekdam edge of committing suicide. Here, Kezia, carry my teacup back to the table carefully. So Kezia's father was also not happy with the kind of expression that Kezia had on her face. Kezia के चेहरे की उदासी देखकर केजिया के फादर को भी अच्छा नहीं लगता था। तो वो अपनी माँ को कहते थे कि टीच दिस गर्ल टू बी हैप्पी. This girl always looks like she's going to commit suicide. uh, Here, Kezia, carry my teacup back to the table carefully. फिर वो केजिया को कहते कि अब उनका चाय का कप वापस टेबल पे रखा है. He was so big, his hands and his neck, especially his mouth, when he yawned. Yawn means what?
Ma'am, to
मैम
come
जब
half
हुआ
ही
ही
लेना.
लेना, मैम जब हुआ ही लेना.
Yes, yawn means
Ma'am, take a deep breath while opening your mouth.
to open mouth wide open, as when you feel sleepy. Huh? So yawn. So what did Kezia think of her father? She thought that father was such a big man, his hands and his neck, especially his mouth when he yawned. Thinking about him alone was like thinking about a giant. केजिया को क्या लगता था कि उसके फादर जो है बिल्कुल एक जायंट की तरह है. क्योंकि एक तो वो बहुत डरती थी उनसे, because she was so scared. That is why she thought of him as a giant, and also she thought he was very big in size, very huge, uh, especially his mouth. So on Sunday afternoons, grandmother sent her down to the drawing room to have a nice talk with father and mother. So Kezia was not very close, not very free with her father and mother. हाँ, केजिया की ग्रैंडमदर को क्या लगता था कि केजिया थोड़ा अपने पेरेंट्स से थोड़ा क्लोज जाए, उनसे बातें करे. तो संडे आफ्टरनून grandmother would send her to mother and father's drawing room, where mother and father used to sit in the drawing room. Kezia's grandmother used to send her there. But the little girl always found mother reading and father stretched out on the sofa, his handkerchief on his face, his feet on the sofa. You can see. So Kezia has entered the drawing room. Grandmother has sent Kezia to the drawing room so that she can talk with her mother and father. But what about the parents? Mother is busy in something reading, father is busy sleeping, head on the cushion. So this is what Kezia would find when she went to the drawing room. Mother reading, father stretched out on the sofa. Father अपना sofa पे stretch out, a handkerchief on his face. You can see the handkerchief on his face. His feet on the best, his feet on one of the best cushions, sleeping soundly and snoring. What is the meaning of snoring?
Ma'am, खर्राटे लेना. I'm making
Karate
making
लेना।
To
sounds
make sounds
while
while sleeping.
karate na,
Yes, karate lena. Loud
to
breathing,
make some weird
loud breathing sound while,
sound while sleeping. It's called snoring.
yes, loud breathing sound while sleeping. So snoring means loud breathing sound while sleeping. So so Ke- Kezia's grandmother wanted her to be more free with her parents. Kezia's grandmother wanted to drive out this fear out of her mind. वो नहीं चाहती थी कि वो अपने पेरेंट्स से डरे. तो शी यूज टू मेक एफर्ट. केजिया's grandmother wanted her to get closer to her parents, so she would send her the little girl. But whenever she would go, she would find mother reading something, father sleeping on the sofa. She sat on a stool gravely. So here gravely means
intently.
seriously. Seriously. So there was a serious expression on her face until he woke and stretched. So and asked the time, then looked at her. So she would sit on a stool with a serious expression on her face, and she would look at him. After some time, father would wake up. वो उठते थे, अपना हाथ पैर सीधा करते थे, stretch as people usually do. हाँ, उठने के बाद हम अपने आप को stretch करते हैं, थोड़ा हाथ पैर सीधा करते हैं. Then father would ask the time, then looked at her. Don't stare so, Kezia. You look like a little brown owl. And Kezia would look at her father. And then what would father comment? You look like a little brown owl. So father would uh, make fun of Kezia, saying that don't stare like this, don't look at like this, don't look like this. Stare means to look continuously. Uh, look continuously, stare. So one day, when she was kept indoors with a cold, her grandmother told her that father's birthday was next week. So uh, one day, Kezia was not feeling well. She was suffering with a cold. केजिया को सर्दी हो गई, तो वो घर के अंदर ही थी. She was kept indoors. And grandmother reminded that father's birthday was next week. Grandmother ने केजिया को याद दिलाया कि फादर का बर्थडे आने वाला है, and suggested she should make him a pin cushion for a gift. So Kezia's grandmother gave a suggestion to Kezia. Father is very fond of sleeping. तो उनके लिए सबसे अच्छा गिफ्ट क्या होगा? एक कुशन, पिन कुशन फॉर अ गिफ्ट आउट ऑफ अ ब्यूटीफुल पीस ऑफ येलो सिल्क. तो घर में एक येलो सिल्क का कपड़ा था. तो grandmother said to Kezia that father's birthday is coming near. Why don't you gift father with a cushion with a yellow silk? So laboriously means what?
बहुत मेहनत से.
Yes, with a lot of effort. With a lot of effort. So now Kezia was a little girl. She had not done all this kind of stitching and all earlier. So with a lot of effort, with a double cotton, the little girl stitched the 3 sides. तो केजिया ने अपने फादर के लिए गिफ्ट बनाना शुरू किया. तो कुशन बनाया उसने, 3 sides को स्टिच कर दिया. बट व्हाट टू फिल इट विथ? बट केजिया वाज अ स्मॉल गर्ल, सो शी डिड नॉट हैव द आइडिया कि कुशन में भरा क्या जाता है. ये केजिया को पता नहीं था. So she just thought what to fill in the cushion. That was the question. grandmother was out in the garden and she wandered into mother's bedroom to look for scraps. So अब केजिया को पता नहीं चल रहा था कि कुशन में वो भरे क्या। ग्रैंडमदर से इसका माइक अनम्यूट है। So now Kezia was grandmother was out in the garden and Kezia did not know what to fill in the cushion. So she wandered into mother's bedroom. Wandered means went by chance. Aimlessly went by chance into mother's bedroom to look for scraps. Scraps means small pieces of cloth or paper that are not needed. कोई भी चीज का छोटा छोटा टुकड़ा बेकार जो रहता वो that are scraps. So she went into mother's bedroom to look for scraps to fill in the cushion. So on the bed table she discovered great many sheets of fine paper. तो केजिया को जो है स्क्रैप्स तो कहीं नहीं मिले। तब उसने देखा कि टेबल पर बहुत सारे शीट्स ऑफ पेपर रखे हुए थे। She discovered a great many sheets of fine paper. तो केजिया ने सोचा कि क्यों नहीं इस पेपर को फाड़ कर ही कुशन में भर दिया जाए। So great many sheets of fine paper, gathered them up, tore them into tiny pieces. So what did Kezia do? She gathered all the papers and she tore it into small pieces. Tiny means small. And stuffed her case and then sewed up the fourth side. So she stuffed she tore the papers that were kept on the bed table and she stuffed those papers and then she sewed up the fourth side. चौथा side भी उसने सिल दिया. So that night there was a hue and cry. Hue and cry means angry protest. So there was lot of angry protest in the house. Father बहुत गुस्से में बोल रहे थे. So that night father was very angry. He was shouting angrily in the house. Father's great speech for the port authority had been lost. फादर को स्पीच देना था पोर्ट अथॉरिटी में और वो स्पीच ही नहीं मिल रहा था. सो फादर्स ग्रेट स्पीच फॉर द पोर्ट अथॉरिटी हैड बीन लॉस्ट. सो रूम्स वेर सर्च, सर्वेंट्स क्वेश्चन. तो सारा रूम पहले खोज लिया गया, फिर सर्वेंट से पूछा गया. फाइनली मदर केम इनटू केजिया's रूम. नाउ what had happened to those the speech papers?
Ma'am, Kezia had tore it down.
Yes,
She had torn the
unknowingly.
papers.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Kezia has filled them into the cushion.
Yes, Kezia has torn it and filled it in the cushion unknowingly. Kezia ने ये जानबूझ के कोई बदमाशी नहीं किया. Not intentionally. It was just unintentional. She committed a mistake. She had torn the important papers of father and stuffed it in the cushion. और केजिया बहुत सीधी सादी अच्छी लड़की भी थी, चाहती तो वो झूठ बोल सकती थी. Finally mother came into Kezia's room. Kezia, I suppose you didn't see some papers on the table in our room. तो माँ ने पूछा कि तुमने कुछ पेपर्स हमारे कमरे में देखा तो नहीं है. You didn't see. Oh yes, she said. I tore them up for my surprise. Kezia is a very innocent girl. एकदम भोली भाली सी जेंटल सी लड़की. उसने तुरंत बोला कि हाँ I tore them up for my surprise. मैंने ही उसे फाड़ा अपने सरप्राइज गिफ्ट के लिए. Our mother was very angry. Those were important papers. What? Screamed mother. Come straight down to the dining room this instant. So mother just took Kezia to the dining room. this instant, and she was dragged down to where father was pacing to and fro. So uh, dragged, एकदम केजिया एकदम डरी हुई थी, उसको किसी तरह घसीट के नीचे ले जाया गया. She was dragged down to where father was pacing to and fro. Means Kezia did not want to go before her father. Huh? She was always scared of her father, and now she had committed a mistake. So she was now more scared. She did not want to go, but Kezia was dragged down. Uh, where father was pacing. Pacing means walking to and fro, up and down. Huh? He was just walking up and down, hands behind his back. So when people are very tensed, they just walk up and down. So father was also in lot of tension. Important papers had disappeared, so he was just walking up and down, hands behind his back. Well, he said sharply, एकदम sharp आवाज में उन्होंने बोला, yell. Well, mother explained. So mother explained everything, that Kezia has torn the papers. He stopped and stared at the child. Did you do that? Father, stared at Kezia and then he asked, Did you do that? अब केजिया जो है एकदम डर से, मदर के सामने तो हाँ बोल दिया, फादर के सामने डर से जो है, as she used to stammer, uh, speak with pauses, she started stammering in the same way. No, 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 she whispered. Mother, go up to her room and fetch down the damn thing. See that the child's put to bed this instant. Fetch down the damned thing. Damned thing means
None that has gone to hell.
yes, damned. Yes, that has gone to hell, but it expresses anger. If you call something expressing expresses anger. If you call something damned, so you are expressing your anger at the thing. See that the child put to bed this instant. और अपने केजिया के फादर ने अपने माँ को कहा, मतलब केजिया के ग्रैंड मदर को, कि जल्दी से इसको बिस्तर पर जाने के लिए कहो. टेल दिस गर्ल टू गो ऑन द बेड. Crying too much to explain, she lay in the shadowed room. Crying too much to explain, she lay in the shadowed room, watching the evening light make a sad little pattern on the floor. Now Kezia was continuously crying. वो एकदम लगातार रो रही थी. And she lay on the bed, shadowed room. The shadow was making patterns on the floor, little designs. It was evening time and the shadows were making designs on the floor. So father came into the room with a ruler in his hands. अब father का गुस्सा तो कम ही नहीं हो रहा था. इतने गुस्से में थे कि उस टाइम वो सोच नहीं पा रहे थे कि केजिया ने जानबूझ के ये नहीं किया है. So father was extremely angry. He came with a ruler in his hands. He said, I'm going to beat you for this, he said. He said that, I'm going to beat you for this. Oh, no, no, she screamed, hiding under the bedclothes. केजिया जो है नो नो करते चिल्लाते रही. She shouted. And Kezia hid herself under the bedclothes. चादर के नीचे वो छुप गई. लेकिन फादर कहाँ मानने वाले थे. He was very angry. He pulled them aside. मतलब bedclothes को अलग कर दिया, कपड़े को अलग कर दिया. Sit up, he ordered. And then he told Kezia was lying down on the bed. So he ordered her to sit up and hold out your hands. अपना हाथ बाहर निकालो. The father गुस्से में थे. You must be taught once and for all not to touch what does not belong to you. So Kezia's father wanted to teach her a lesson कि अगर कोई सामान तुम्हारा नहीं है तो तुमको उसे नहीं छूना चाहिए. So he said that you must be taught that if something is not yours, you should not touch it. What does not belong to you. But it was for your birthday. हाँ, अब वो केजिया एक्सप्लेन कर रही थी कि आई वॉज प्रिपेयरिंग द गिफ्ट फॉर योर बर्थडे ओनली। वो सोची ये बात कहेगी तो फादर का गुस्सा थोड़ा कम होगा, बट वॉट हैपेंड, father's anger did not lessen. So he said, I will teach you a lesson that if something is not yours, you should not touch it. He wanted to teach Kezia good manners, that you should not take something which is not yours. So down came the ruler on her little pink palms. Now Kezia was a small girl. Uske palms जो थे, palm is the front portion of your hand, हथेली जिसको कहते हैं, palm. So her palms were just very, very soft and pink. Down came the ruler on her little pink palm. So Kezia was punished by her father. He beat her with the ruler. Down came the ruler on her little pink palms. Hours later, when grandmother had wrapped her in a shawl, अब ग्रैंडमदर ही ऐसी थी जो केजिया को समझती थी। ग्रैंडमदर ने केजिया को सांत्वना दिया, उसको रैप किया एक शॉल में। रैप मीन्स
cover.
cover. She covered her in the
And to cover something.
yes, covered, and rocked her in the rocking chair. केजिया को थोड़ा सा उसके मन को अच्छा करने के लिए उसने उसको स्विंगिंग चेयर में झूला झुलाया। rocked her in the rocking chair means swinging. Just to make Kezia a little bit happy, she wrapped her in a shawl and she made her swing in the swinging chair. The child clung to her soft body. Clung means hold tightly.
Ma'am, to stick.
Yes, to hold tightly. So she just held tightly to her grandmother. She wanted someone uh, to who could comfort her, who could show her love. So grandmother, she just held her grandmother's body very tightly to her soft body. What did God make fathers for? And in her anger, what did Kezia comment about father? She sobbed.
Ma'am, she asked the reason for which fathers were made.
Yes.
मैम वो अपनी दादी माँ से पूछी कि फादर को क्यों बनाया भगवान ने।
हाँ, इतने गुस्से में थी केजिया